So now let's see how we can go ahead and utilize the smooth effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and utilize the smooth effect, first of all you need to go around onto the file menu and then go to import right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that I got several images right here, just like this. Let me just go around over here and choose one image that I want to smoothen out. Let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead right here and let's just go around onto let's say for example this image right here of this girl, and let me just go around and drag this in. So now in order to go ahead and apply the smooth blur effect to it, I'm going to go around over here onto effects and then I'm going to go to blur, and here you can see that smooth is an option. So once you go around onto smooth right here, you can see that nothing seems to have changed, but as I change this around, let's take a look at the hair area right here, just like this. If I were to increase out the smooth right here, just like this, you can see that it smoothens out those particular hair areas right here and gives it a much more softer look right here. So you want to give your image a bit more softer look right here, then you can utilize smooth. Let's look at this eyelashes right here, which are quite sharp. So if I were to go ahead and increase this out, you can see that it smoothens those area out and gives the overall picture a softer look. Let me just go ahead and import out another image around over here as well. So let's just go around onto the images folder itself for this one, and then let's say for example bring in this particular image right here. Let me just go ahead and drag this in. So now you can see that this particular image is quite detailed, but if I were to go around onto effects, then go to blur and then go to smooth right here, just like this, then what happens is that I can change around the level of smooth right here for this particular image, and then it smoothens out the pixel levels right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and apply the smooth effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.